Hey travelers! You guys loved the video that I did last week about 3 things to stop packing to make your life easier, be able to pack lighter, be able to travel smarter. So we are going to just go in for 3 more. Let's just not even pay attention to this ponytail. It's out of control today. Welcome back to The Sweaty Traveling Mom, where we talk about getting comfortable, traveling with your kids, and enjoying the journey more. Let's dive right in. I will link the last video up here, and if you want more tips like this, go ahead and comment below and let me know if this is helpful to you, and we will just keep going until I run out of things to say. Tip number 1, stop bringing options. What does that mean? Okay, so the best advice that I got when I was starting my packing light journey, how can I travel with less, how can I do carry-on only, was to pack outfits, not options. So you're going to stop bringing things that will give you a wardrobe full of options when you get to your destination. You're going to think ahead, plan it out, write it down if you need to, and start packing actual outfits, not options. So you're not going to pack this pair of pants that could go with this shirt or this, or maybe I want to wear sneakers with it, but if it's raining, I might want to wear this. You're just going to pack outfits that fit the situations you could be in. So this pair of pants with this shirt, these undergarments, and these socks with these shoes. And that will narrow down what you're going to bring with you. Less bulk, less junk. By the way, if you're a fashionista or you're doing family photos on this trip, this is probably not the video for you, because we are talking about how to be as economical as possible, how to save on those baggage fees, how to pack lighter so that you can travel with your kids and have 1 suitcase instead of 2 and be able to hold your kid's hand with the other hand. And number 2, shoes. Shoes take up so much room. And honestly, I promise you, no one on vacation is looking at your feet. Unless you have a gorgeous gown that you're wearing for a formal night on a cruise and you have to have these specific platform high heels that go with it, you do not need to be packing anything that's going to take up a bunch of room. In our last video, we talked about how to wear your bulkiest shoe on your flight so that you're packing your smaller shoes in your suitcase. Let's talk about those smaller shoes. We've got flip-flops, sandals, something like Tevas or Chacos that are going to be adventure sandals that are going to give you good foot support, because we are parents and we need our feet not to hurt when we are traveling. If you have a pair of slip-on shoes that you love or slides that you're going to wear that can be dressed up, dressed down, go for it. Go ahead and take your sneaker or your boot and wear that on your flight, and take your shoes that pack smaller and put them into your suitcase. If they squish down flat, fantastic. If they don't and you have to pack something like a sneaker or a shoe that's got a little more shape to it, take socks and underwear and other small things and put them into the shoe and save space that way. All right, we are already at tip number 3. This is all about accessorizing. Now, I am one for making a simple outfit look a little bit nicer with some accessories, whether that's a chunkier necklace, a couple of bracelets, a bigger pair of earrings, but those are all things that pack super small. Stop bringing accessories like giant hats or multiple bags and purses that are going to take up tons of space. All of your accessories should fit in like a tiny little cosmetics case or baggie. You can absolutely take a t-shirt and jeans look and dress it up with some bigger earrings. A belt packs nice and flat, but there is absolutely no reason to be bringing multiple purses, handbags, or huge hats on trips. The only exception that I'll make for that is a sun hat, because I am all about sun protection and lowering your risk of getting skin cancer, but there are absolutely crushable hats that you can pack. I have one that's a big brimmed hat that just rolls up really small. You do not have to go all out on accessories. No one is paying that much attention to you on vacation. Everyone's just trying to enjoy themselves, so don't stress. All right, if you found that video helpful, you can go ahead and catch the next one, and I will pop up another few tips for making traveling easier for you right here. Catch you next time, guys. Until then, safe travels.